morning, Renovation. Hello, this is for a motel type application where there needs to be new coping done on an in-ground concrete older pool which has simple mosaic tile meeting up at a 90-degree angle on the edge where the coping would otherwise be. This is on a budget, and the property is going to be redeveloped within the next 5 years. The pool will be removed at that point. So the question is there a retrofit available in a rounded plastic bullnose of some sort, similar what is seen on vinyl in-ground pools, that could substitute and go over the top edge of this mosaic tile? I'm guessing it's sharp somehow on the top edge of the pool.
What I would recommend, I don't know that you could really fit a vinyl liner plastic edge on there, coping on there, but you could do a very simple poured concrete cap. They make molds, removable forms, styrofoam forms for a regular cantilever deck. If that's too tall based on the profile of the existing concrete, you might have to spend a little more money, but you could get a countertop profile. So a countertop profile is much lower. It's probably only 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches tops, and that temporarily adheres to the tile, and you pour that with concrete, and then you break off the styrofoam and you have this smooth edge on the front. I would guess that's probably your least expensive way of retrofitting it, especially if it's only for a few years, because then you could deal with elevations and deal with the existing concrete as best you could using concrete as the product and not getting heavily involved in resetting coping stones that may or may not fit and finding the right material. Concrete might just be the best one to use to get you through 5 years.